Hey, hola, buenos dias. So you should be getting a copy of this outline of what things will be on the final exam. If you don't get that copy, you'll find it here under the Examen Final Review. It is already attached there for you. Now, the one thing I did want to show you was that everything is organized by unit. If you go into Schoology, you will see, and it's been like this all year, but in each topic is organized by unit and labeled Unidad 4B, Unidad 4A, Unidad 3B, 3A, 2B, so on. So example, if you look through these grammar topics and vocab topics and you know, okay, I need to really review, for example, the verb ir and question words from Unidad 4A. Go down to Unidad 4A. In every single unit, there is a recursos folder, and everything is labeled. Look, the verb ir, question words. You can go into that folder. You can review the notes that we took. There's a Quizlet link. There's a video, the videos that you can watch to review those things if you want to do a quick review. Okay. Now, for your assignment, there are choice boards that I posted in the Examen Final Review right here. Make sure you pick the correct link that goes with your class because the links are different for each class period. And your job is to pick any three that you want that you know you need to study more in depth. That's your assignment for those async days. One trick I did want to show you was with the Quizlet. Now I created a Quizlet that gives you all of the terms that we learned from day one. It's quite large because we learn, well, it doesn't even include all of them, but it includes most of them. So this one example has like 436. So if you want to go in and just study certain ones, you can click on the star next to it. So you look at this, okay, I know I need to study this word. Click on the star. Go through and click all the ones that you know you need to study. And then when you go in to study them, you can go ahead in and then click on the options down here and just click Study Starred. Okay, and then that way you're only studying those ones that you had starred, and you don't have to do all 438. If you do learn, you can customize it as well. So just wanted to show you that quick little trick on Quizlet, a way that you can kind of take the deck and narrow it down to the ones that you know you need specific help with. So you're not spending a ton of time because that would take forever to go through all 438 terms. Okay, so you have your assignment, you have your review outline. So I'm going to let you go ahead and get to work as far as reviewing for our final exam, which will be next Tuesday, the 24th. I hope you have a good day. Hasta luego. Adios.